Jamaicans love to say, "We lickle but we talawa." This saying aptly describes 9-year-old Makoto Lily from Mount St. Joseph Prep, this year's winner of the JIS Heritage Essay Competition. From a field of over 100 primary students, Makoto rose to the top. For the 2016 staging of the competition, students were asked to write an essay on the theme, "Who is your favorite Jamaican sportsman or sportswoman and why?" Makoto describes Shelley Fraser Price, the Pocket Rocket, as the Jamaican athlete who inspires him the most.
Pocket Rocket allows neither her 5 feet height nor the violence of her birthplace determine how she lives. Instead, she dreams excellence and builds good, healthy habits such as training hard.
For his hard work, he won a $2,500 gift certificate from Jamaica National, $15,000 in cash from the Insurance Employees Cooperative Credit Union, a printer and accessories from Royal Computers, a weekend for 4 from FDR Resorts, and the JIS trophy. He was presented with these prizes at the JIS Heritage Awards ceremony held at the Mona Visitors Lodge in December.
I'm overwhelmed because this is my first time and I have won.
Nikolai Newman from St. Peter and Paul Prep placed second in the essay competition. And third place went to Gianni Willie from George Headley Primary.
We're proud to host the 6th staging of the JIS Heritage Competition as part of the agency's thrust to educate our children about our national heritage.
The competition has surpassed this initial thrust and is now also an avenue for personal development for the students who enter.
This JIS initiative is to be applauded as it allows for a different kind of creativity, expanding the thinking and expression of youth in writing, designing, and photography.
I entered the competition because I love to write and I wanted to enter the competition to see how good I was in English.
Helped a lot in terms of their self-confidence. Last year, the top student was from our school, George Headley. As a matter of fact, 3 of our students were awardees.
High school students were asked to design a poster depicting Jamaica's rich sporting heritage. Patrick Howell from Arden Prep and Extension High School ran away with first prize. He won movie tickets from Palace Amusement, a $2,500 gift certificate from Jamaica National Building Society, $15,000 in cash from the JIS, a graphics course from the Edna Manley College of the Visual and Performing Arts, a day pass for 4 from Sandals Resorts, and the JIS trophy. Kevin Wade, art teacher at Arden Prep and Extension High, says he encourages his students to enter every year and he uses the competition as a motivational tool.
It has helped them in many ways because the past 2 years I have had the best graphic design winner in grade 7 to 9 category, and I see where they have gone on to better things.
Kuruma Reed from Jose Marti Technical High School was awarded 2nd place for his piece, and Shemar Domville from St. Jago High School placed 3rd. In 2016, the competition moved into new territory, engaging tertiary students in a photo competition. The theme, "I am a sports champion." Lamar Salmon from the Montego University College was the winner. He won $20,000 in cash from the Insurance Employees Cooperative Credit Union, a graphics course from Carimac, a day or evening pass for 2 to Rio Ochirios, and the JIS trophy.
I went to a netball match between the Montego University College and Exed, and I take a photo that day and I said, yes, this is going to win the competition.
Terrence Thompson from UTech was 2nd. The JIS Heritage Competition, encouraging youth expression through essay, poster, and a photo.